Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the adorable ideas of the Christmas decoration. The Christmas decoration is very important related to the festival of Christmas. And you know the Christmas festival is very important and the decoration is very beautiful related to the candle holder and Christmas celebration, the birth of Jesus. And you know the Christmas most popular exchange of gifts, the decorating of the Christmas trees, attending the church, attending the church, and sharing the meals with the family and the friends, and of course the waiting of Santa Claus to arrive. So, guys, if you are looking the beautiful Christmas celebration, then stay with me. And because I uploaded the Christmas decoration on daily basis, the Christmas is the annual. The Christmas is the annual festival, and the December 20. So thank you so much, guys, to watch my video and sharing my YouTube channel on daily basis. Christmas event are very important and I hope you enjoy my video till the end. If you like the video, then share, like and comment. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment. All my videos